Have a good day everyone. Today we will see how to create the electrical light symbol as annotative block. Okay, let's see. Current view annotation is scale 1 to 1. Okay, go line, length 3.5 millimeter. Okay, enter, rotate, arrow, enter, select object, base point, select copy, angle 90, enter, go circle, C, enter, center point, radius 1.25, enter. Okay, go hatch pattern, select solid, click internal point, okay, enter. Okay, now go block, B, enter, block name, light 1, select object, enter, pick point, center point, block unit millimeters, open in block editor, click annotative. Okay, go parameters, base point, select center. Okay, now close block editor, save changes. Okay, now go annotate, add delete scale, click, select annotative object, enter, go add 1 to 50, 1 to 100. Okay, now copy, CO, enter, select object, enter, base point, click, okay, enter. Now annotation scale 1 to 1, 1 to 50. Okay, regional annotation scale 1 to 100, regional annotation scale 1 to 1, regional. Okay, annotation scale 1 to 100. Okay, regional. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.